Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the photo into your chosen AI editor, and you immediately duplicate the layer so you never overwrite the original. Once done, evaluate the image. Note areas to change, mask complexity, and color balance. Then choose the right AI mode, in-painting for removals, style transfer for mood changes, or generative fill for new content. Because picking the correct method now saves time later and keeps results predictable and controllable. You then create a clean mask around the edit area, taking care to refine edges and use feathering to blend. This controls what the AI changes. Next, set parameters. Begin with moderate strength and adjust temperature, exposure, and style intensity while previewing. Use 1-3 reference images or a clear prompt to steer the model toward the look you want. As you tweak, toggle before / after to check consistency, and make incremental adjustments so results remain natural. You finalize by rendering at full resolution and reviewing the image for artifacts, incorrect anatomy, or lighting mismatches, then perform manual touch-ups where needed. Once satisfied, save sequential versions and export the final file in the correct format. If problems appear like odd textures or blending seams, reopen masking, lower AI strength, or use a clone and retouch brush to correct small areas. Finally, compare against the original to ensure your change enhances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.